Welcome to Digital Alchemist Labs. Today, we have an exciting crash course on ChatGPT for beginners. Whether you're new to OpenAI or looking to enhance your skills, this video covers everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about setting up your OpenAI account. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. In the dashboard, at bottom left, you'll see options to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. For new users, click on the Sign Up button. Once you've filled in your details, OpenAI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your inbox, find the email from OpenAI, and click on the verification link. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and activates your account. After verifying your email, you'll see a brief setup screen. This includes entering your name and date of birth, once more for verification. This step ensures that your account is fully secured and ready to use. Once this is done, you'll be taken to the main ChatGPT interface. Welcome to the ChatGPT interface. Let's take a tour. On the left sidebar, you'll see options to reset the thread, start a new conversation, and options to upgrade to paid plans. The sidebar is quite minimalistic but very functional. On the top right side, you will see the account setting options. In the center of the screen, you have the main conversation window. This is where all the magic happens. At the bottom, there's an input box where you can type your prompts or questions. Above this box, you'll see example prompts that you can use if you're not sure where to start. It's important to familiarize yourself with ChatGPT new features to get the best experience. For example, ChatGPT remembers the context of your conversation within a single thread, which allows for more natural and coherent interactions. We'll see this in an example later in the video. Now, let's dive deeper into what ChatGPT can do. One of its most impressive features is its ability to remember the context of a conversation. This means if you ask a follow-up question, ChatGPT will understand the reference and provide a relevant answer. For example, if you ask, "What is the capital of France?" and then follow up with, "What is its population?" ChatGPT will understand that it refers to France and provide the population of Paris. This contextual understanding makes interactions with ChatGPT feel more natural and intuitive. Another great feature is its ability to handle corrections and clarifications. If you didn't get the answer you were looking for, you can ask ChatGPT try again or provide a different answer. This is particularly useful for complex queries where the first response might not fully address your question. However, ChatGPT does have some limitations. It's important to be aware of these to use the tool effectively. First, ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to information available up to January 2022. This means it won't be able to provide information on more recent events or advancements. As you can see, ChatGPT acknowledges its limitations regarding knowledge updates beyond January 2022. This is why it's crucial to verify any critical information you receive, particularly if it pertains to recent events or specialized fields. Additionally, while ChatGPT is designed to avoid inappropriate content, it might occasionally produce biased or incorrect information. Always double-check the responses, especially if you're using ChatGPT for important or sensitive tasks. ChatGPT is programmed to avoid generating harmful or inappropriate content. However, in some rare instances, it might still produce biased or incorrect information. Here's another example. ChatGPT refuses to engage with requests that promote illegal or harmful activities. However, it's essential to remain vigilant and critically assess all the information provided. ChatGPT also struggles with some mathematical operations and specific factual details. For instance, complex calculations or highly specific data points might not always be accurate. If you encounter such issues, it's a good idea to cross-reference with other reliable sources. While ChatGPT can handle basic arithmetic, more complex mathematical problems might require specialized tools or expert consultation. Always cross-reference with reliable sources for critical or complex calculations. Let's see ChatGPT in action with a simple example. I'll ask, "What is 10 plus 9?" As you can see, ChatGPT correctly answers 19. If you want to see the answer phrased differently, you can click Try Again to get a different formulation of the same answer. This feature is particularly useful when you're looking for varied responses or want to understand how ChatGPT can express the same information in multiple ways. Now, let's explore a more advanced use case, coding assistance. ChatGPT can help generate and debug code snippets. For example, let's ask it to write an HTTP request in JavaScript. ChatGPT provides not only the code but also a detailed explanation of how it works. This is incredibly useful for both beginners learning to code and experienced developers looking for quick solutions. Let's take it a step further and modify the request to fetch weather data for New York City. I'll ask ChatGPT to adjust the code accordingly. Here, ChatGPT generates a weather API request and explains the modifications. It's important to note that you'll need to use a real API key and endpoint to make this code functional. For even more complex tasks, you can ask ChatGPT to loop through data, format responses, or integrate the output into a web application. The possibilities are extensive, making ChatGPT a powerful tool for coding projects. Beyond practical applications, ChatGPT excels in creative tasks too. You can use it to write stories, generate jokes, or even brainstorm ideas. For instance, let's ask it to write a short story about a rabbit and a turtle. ChatGPT generates a delightful story with a moral about patience. You can further customize the story by asking for specific elements like adding humor or changing the moral. For example, I'll ask it to add a joke to the story. Now, the story includes a humorous twist at the end, showcasing ChatGPT's ability to adapt and enhance creative content. ChatGPT is also extremely useful for generating documents such as cover letters, resumes, and privacy policies. Let's create a professional cover letter for a junior developer position. ChatGPT provides a detailed and structured cover letter tailored to a specific job and applicant. You can personalize it further by adjusting the details to match your actual experience and qualifications. Similarly, you can use ChatGPT draft a resume. Let's ask it to generate a resume based on the cover letter we just created. The generated resume includes sections for skills, experience, and education, all formatted neatly. This can be a great starting point, allowing you to fine-tune the content to better reflect your background. Another powerful feature of ChatGPT is its ability to summarize documents and translate text. For example, let's take a section of the Privacy Act of 1988 from Australia and summarize it. ChatGPT provides a concise summary of the document, making it easier to understand complex legal text. You can also request summaries in different formats, such as bullet points or key phrases. For translation, simply input the text and specify the language. Let's translate the summary into German. ChatGPT accurately translates the text, making it a versatile tool for multilingual communication. You can even ask it to explain content in simpler terms, making information more accessible to a wider audience. These features make ChatGPT a valuable tool for summarizing complex documents, translating text into different languages, and simplifying information to make it more understandable for everyone. For content creators, ChatGPT can be a game changer. It can help brainstorm blog topics, create outlines, and even draft sections of your articles. Let's generate some blog topic ideas related to graphic design. We have a list of potential topics. I like the one about 7 common mistakes to avoid in website graphic design. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to provide an outline for this blog post. The outline includes an introduction, the 7 common mistakes with brief descriptions, and a conclusion. This structured approach makes it easier to write the full article. Next, let's draft the introduction. I'll ask for a 3-sentence introduction to the blog post. The introduction sets the stage nicely for the rest of the article. You can use similar prompts to draft each section, ensuring your content is comprehensive and well organized. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist with editing and rephrasing. If you're not satisfied with a particular sentence, ask ChatGPT to rephrase it or check the grammar. This helps refine your writing, making it clearer and more polished. You can also ask ChatGPT to translate your content into different languages, ensuring your message reaches a global audience. Finally, once your blog post is ready, you can use ChatGPT draft a newsletter for promoting it. Let's create a subject line for an email newsletter based on our blog post. The suggested subject line, "Maximize your website's potential with these graphic design tips," is catchy and relevant. You can then draft the email body to introduce your article and encourage readers to visit your blog. That's a wrap on our ChatGPT crash course. We hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of ChatGPT. Remember, whether you're using it for coding, creative writing, document generation, or content creation, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can enhance your productivity. If you have questions or suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exciting content from Digital Alchemist Labs. Thanks for watching.